Today we're at the Urban Farming Institute and we are going to learn all about pH. Have you ever thought about what's going on in your garden? What's going on below the surface in your soil? Well, today we're going to talk a little bit about why pH is so important for your plant health. My name is Liz Dutra and I'm the science educator here at the Urban Farming Institute. pH is so important, especially for gardening. In the soil, it's recommended to have slightly acidic soils. Minerals are more readily available for your roots. So your roots are searching in the soil, and in an acidic environment, they can find what they need. Things are bioavailable, and roots can really thrive. So it's really important to understand what's going on in your garden. You want to test the soil pH, and you also want to know what plant you're dealing with, right? Plants have different types of ranges of pH. That is really important, and that will really help your garden thrive, right? So I hope you learned a little bit today about pH and how it's so important for your garden, and we want to see your garden thrive. So come back and check us out at the Urban Farming Institute, where you can learn all about garden planting tips. Have a great day.